G'day guys, Alfie here, and Matt is joining us today as well. We're on
Hello.
the MCEdu server. Today we're going to do a quick run through on the Brown tutorial, which is the building tutorial, and I have the creator of this tutorial standing right in front of me here, so that's why Matt's with us. He's going to talk us through what he built, how he built it, and why he built it the way he did, and we'll have a bit of a discussion about the process of creating lessons like this in Minecraft for other educators. Lead on, Matt.
Perfect. Thank you, Alfie. And in this area, you're kind of going to learn how to use some of the basic building blocks that are a little bit more complicated than just plain old cubes. And we start out with stairs. And at first, you see just examples of how stairs can be placed, whether it's regular or upside down or sideways, or how they interact when placed next to one another on things like corners. And then as we move on, you can work on this yourself as practice. So one of the things I wanted to do, and you see as Elfie opened the chest, he gets a set of stairs in his hand, and he can go through and practice what he just saw beforehand as far as placing these stairs in the right positions. Now you can see that Elfie got these to go sideways, upside down, and regular. And it really depends, as the instructions say, on where you point when you place these stairs. As we moved a little further on, behind Elfie here is a little challenge. So there's a shape here on the left side, and the challenge is to duplicate it on the right side using the stairs that are given to you earlier.
Ooh, tricksy. Oh, nope.
Ta-da!
Yay,
Not
100%.
bad. Yay!
So the
Only
whole
one.
process here, of course, would be that you would go through and clean up after yourself before you left,
Right.
so that the next person to come along would be able to do these tutorials after you. But am I right, Matt, in thinking that the learning you were hoping people would get out of this was that stairs can be placed many ways, and the actual process of doing that, so that you're hoping by the end, so by the time they get to this point here where they're building or recreating that structure, that they're reinforcing the idea of how to place stairs on different angles to get different outcomes, I guess is the
Yeah,
word I'm
different
looking for.
looks. Yeah, definitely. That's exactly what we're going for.
Okay.
So as we move on, you can see a little bit more in practice application of this skill you just learned. This is a house that's built with stairs as a roof, and you can see the roof pitches because of the way the stairs are placed. You can also use these stair blocks as furniture. As you see inside the house, there's um, I don't know what a corner couch or whatever this is called. And you can also see the bottom of these stairs up above on the roof. And that's about all for stairs and building. This next little section talks about pistons, which are uh, utilized using redstone and electric circuits kind of things. So, first things was basically just an introduction. What's a piston? What does it do? And just as you might suspect, a piston will push out and pull back when you activate it. Now, as you can see, these pistons can be placed in different orientations depending on what direction you're looking, just like the stairs.
Right, so this follows on from the stair tutorial. So you've learnt that the direction, so by now we've learnt that the direction you place things is important for the way the block faces, particularly for stairs, and now we're reinforcing that with pistons, is that right?
Correct.
Cool.
And as we move forward, you see a little bit of the limitations or capabilities of the pistons. As it says, a piston can move 12 blocks up and down. So if we put a 13th block of sand on top of this, it wouldn't move at all.
Have you thought about giving them the option to do that, just as a matter of interest? Having not gone through this tutorial before, have you thought about giving them the option to actually
That
test
might
that
be
out for
an
themselves?
idea. Maybe say how many blocks can a piston move, and then they have to figure it out.
Oh yeah, that might be a way to get moved forward, yep.
Yep. And this next one is gets their chance to actually place a piston.
So if I
So
was standing here and I didn't think about what I was doing, I'd place it that way, and of course
yeah,
that's not going to work.
so
So I need
right,
to
because our goal is to get that sand
orientate.
off
Yeah,
the top.
very cool. Um, so again, with the cleaning up and replacing afterwards, if I push this off, are we in I'm in creative mode, but are the
Yeah,
people in creative mode, or are the people in like the people going through the tutorial, are they in creative mode, or are they in adventure mode or survival mode, or Minecraft editing mode, or
yeah,
whatever it is? Just as a matter
yeah,
of interest here, again, I haven't done this tutorial myself, which is why we've got you here running us through it.
yeah. Originally, we had set it to be in creative mode, but I think I took that out for one reason or another.
Okay, so if I was in adventure mode and I placed my piston, press the button, then of course I can pick up that sand, can't I? Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah,
I get it
perfect.
now.
Yep.
Alright, I'll put myself back in creatives. Lead on.
Okay. And this next little section just combines a use of pistons and redstone to create a doorway. Now these are special kinds of pistons, so that'll be something new because we noticed before that nothing, like whatever something the piston pushed, just went and moved and then it was done. These being sticky pistons, they hold on to the block they're touching.
Alright, have you thought about showing them a sticky piston?
Okay.
I don't know, just so that they can see what a sticky piston is. I don't know, like here, you just stood in it. Sort of so that they can see the difference between the piston they had over here and the
Yeah.
sticky piston they've got there. I don't know,
Yep.
because to me, those pistons are the same.
They look the same. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's cool though. That's well timed. I think I messed with your timing at one point. Put random
Yeah.
repeaters in and made them all different times, so
Yeah.
they opened at different stages. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. After this we go back to the tutorial or the training area and we choose the next one.
Right.
Excellent. Thanks for running us through that, Matt. Much appreciated.
Yep. No problem.
Alright, just
See you
remember
around.
guys, this is the MCEdu server. If you want to join, if you have Minecraft EDU and you're an educator and you would like to join us and help build things like this or show teachers how this stuff works, please fill in the Google form. Link is in the description. Join the Google group. Again, link is in the description. Or contact Matt or myself via Twitter. Again, links will be in the description. Thanks very much, guys. See you later.